I'm George. Welcome to Georgie's Kitchen. Today, we are going to do two things. One, we are going to fry pork pan, and we're going to boil some shrimp dumplings. Let's start. First, we turn on the stove. Then, we add some oil. Wait a bit. Now, we can pour in the pork bun. After, we flip the hot bun. Then, we add some hot water. Now we boil the frozen dumplings. First, we start with a pot of boiling water. Then, we turn on the stove. After, we add the dumplings. We flip the pork bun. Give it a stir. Now, we need to add a cup of cold water. Cold water. Now, we add another glass of cold water. Now, we flip the pork bun until all the water is gone. Now, the dumplings are ready. We fry the pork bun until it's golden and crispy. Now they're ready. Now, let's set the table. Let's go feed you. Is it yummy? Yeah. Very yummy, right? Yeah. Let's try this. Is this yummy? Yes. Let me try. Mmm, so great and yummy. Thanks for watching, guys. I will be doing many experiments and cooking with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any fun activities. Remember to check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.